Welcome to a breakdown of 9 easy UGC style videos you can create for any brand. These styles will add variety to your portfolio and help you really stand out from the crowd. We are skipping the exact timestamps today and jumping right into the core breakdown and real examples. I will also show you how I utilize Vizard to speed up this entire process and find the best moments. It helps turn long content effortlessly into short, perfectly ready-to-post clips for social media. Let us dive into the first essential style, which is the aesthetic or product showcase. This style is all about making your product look absolutely gorgeous on screen. You should focus less on showing your face and more on slow pans and gorgeous close-ups. Capture the way the light beautifully hits the packaging or the texture of the item itself. Clean backgrounds combined with a few well-styled props always elevate this visual approach. For a glossy vibe, nicely manicured nails can subtly frame the product, but clean hands also work well for an organic feel. Imagine a skincare jar resting on marble as sunlight streaks across its label for that perfect shot. The entire trick here is to allow the product to truly breathe on screen with short, almost hypnotic visuals. Now here is how Vizard supercharges this aesthetic process for you automatically. Feed it any long footage from your shoot, and it will instantly find the most aesthetic slices. It recognizes those slow motion swipes, the great close-ups, and the satisfying reveal moments you want. The tool then crops these into perfect vertical aspect ratios and adds smooth transitions. Other editing tools force you to manually hunt through minutes of footage just to find one good clip. Vizard auto-detects all the visual highlights, letting you produce multiple polished clips in a single session. Next up is the second style, the clear and practical product demonstration. This video clearly shows the audience exactly how the product is intended to work in real life. You can be the main focus, or you can keep the camera solely focused on the product doing its job. Keep your backgrounds clean and simple so the viewer can concentrate entirely on the product's function. A quick pro tip is to always show the before, the during, and the satisfying after result. If you are demoing a kitchen gadget, show the impact it has on the final plated meal. For a hairstyling tool, show the initial hair, the tool in action, and the finished perfect look. Vizard automatically pulls the segments where motion and engagement are the absolute highest. It stitches together that satisfying churn, the button press, and the final amazing reveal into one concise demo. Competitor editors often charge you per export or demand that you manually select every single clip. Vizard's auto-editing saves you valuable time and money when turning one shoot into 10 different demos. The third style we are covering is the classic unboxing experience, which has many creative options. You can choose to be on camera or entirely off camera for this particular type of content. If you are aiming for ASMR, let the soft sounds of the unwrapping materials truly be the star of the show. For social media ads, keep the unboxing very short, teasing the product immediately. Show the initial assembly process, and then finish with the product finally set up and ready to use. Vizard assists by picking up the crispest audio moments and perfectly matching them with the right visuals. If the raw audio is weak, it can mute it and add subtle, useful ambient background sound instead. Some platforms really want short, punchy clips, so Vizard will automatically trim to brand-friendly lengths. It can even suggest a specific 10 to 15-second cut that is optimized for a high click-through rate. Style number 4 is the incredibly effective problem-solution format for targeted messaging. You must start by clearly showing the audience the specific pain point that they immediately recognize. Then you must immediately follow that up by showing how your product completely fixes that exact issue. For example, show the white cast problem on darker skin from a common sunscreen, then the seamless application of your product. The narrative structure remains simple, direct, and ultimately very persuasive to the viewer. Vizard identifies the crucial hook, which is often that first frustrated reaction or the clear before shot. It then finds the payoff, that satisfying after reaction or the perfectly clean finish, and compresses the story. This makes for a very tight, emotionally satisfying clip that gets straight to the ad's main point. Unlike other platforms that just give you an empty timeline, Vizard actively highlights the key beats for you. Our fifth style focuses on testimonials, where authentic first impressions are absolutely worth their weight in gold. Viewers want to see genuine excitement captured on camera, like someone saying they are completely obsessed. Use fast cuts to switch between their enthusiastic reaction and close-ups of the product actually being used. If you can weave in proof like website screenshots or before and afters, it makes the testimonial even stronger. Vizard helps by picking out the highest energy moments from your multi-angle test footage automatically. It pinpoints the gasp, the close-up where the eyes light up, and the moment of genuine discovery. It can even pull on-screen text that mimics a call to action, making the testimonial feel less pushy. While competitors over-polish testimonials into obvious ads, Vizard keeps the raw authenticity intact. The sixth style is the vlog-style video, making the product feel perfectly natural in context. This feels much more like a slice of life experience, making it extremely relatable and less salesy. Start with a small scene, like waking up or making coffee, and naturally include the product early on. Drop in very short explanations about why this specific item truly fits into your daily routine. When you have an hour of vlog footage, Vizard intelligently finds the moments showing the product in action. It suggests multiple optimized cuts, such as a 15-second social clip or a longer 60-second piece. Other tools make you endlessly scrub footage, but Vizard surfaces the specific parts that the audience actually cares about. The seventh style is voiceover-driven video, perfect for detailed tutorials or walkthroughs. You film all your usage and product close-ups first, then record a clear, energetic narration. This narration clearly walks the viewer through every single step of what they are currently seeing on screen. Vizard matches your voiceover track to the most relevant visual beats automatically with impressive precision. If you say, "Next, I dip the brush," Vizard tries to find the exact visual of that specific dipping action. That powerful synchronization is what makes these videos feel truly professional, without taking hours of manual editing time. Eighth is the transformative before and after, which is clickbait in the absolute best possible way. You must hook the viewer instantly by showing the incredible end result in that very first frame. Use compelling text like "from flat to voluminous in 2 minutes" or a stark skin texture comparison. Keep all your transformations honest, because any form of exaggeration will immediately ruin viewer trust. Vizard detects that core visual difference and frames the story so the amazing after appears right at the start. It then automatically rewinds the footage to show the entire process that led to that amazing outcome. Vizard's smart highlights make presenting honest transformations incredibly easy without manual masking. Finally, the ninth style is educational content that truly builds your authority in the niche. Teach something genuinely useful related to the product, like a quick tip or a full recipe. Educational videos are fantastic because they keep people engaged for much longer periods of time. Think about quick explainers on why a certain ingredient or feature really matters to the user. If you film a long tutorial, Vizard pulls all the individual steps into discrete, separate clips. It can even generate suggested captions for each of those distinct educational steps for you. This makes repurposing your main content into carousels or reels significantly faster for every platform. Vizard gives you a complete content map, allowing you to repurpose an entire class into multiple social posts. A few key overall tips come directly from testing thousands of user-generated content pieces. Always keep your content short, targeting 15 to 60 seconds unless the brand explicitly requests otherwise. Natural lighting trumps everything, so if you can shoot during golden hour by a window, please do it. Clean kitchens and plain walls are also excellent choices to make sure your product really pops visually. The small details matter immensely. Think about those nails or props as they boost perceived production value. Authentic beats scripted delivery every single time because people instantly sense forced enthusiasm. Clear demonstrations and candid reactions will always outperform heavily hyped and obviously scripted content. This is how I actually work. I film one long session covering all multiple styles at once. I upload that entire batch into Vizard and let the system analyze all the footage within minutes. It spits out optimized clips, a short aesthetic reveal, a demo cut, and a testimonial highlight immediately after. Then I use the content calendar to map out when and where I will post these across all the different platforms. This workflow has saved me countless hours of tedious manual editing and sped up my shoot-to-post time dramatically. Comparing this to other editors, many require constant manual oversight or hide crucial features behind paywalls. Some competitors focus only on trimming for length, not on a complete full repurpose workflow like this one. The key benefit of this tool is turning one long piece of content into multiple perfectly scheduled short clips. You stop juggling 5 different tools and wondering exactly which clip should go where next. To build a content pipeline that actually scales, you must mix these 9 styles across your uploads. Rotate your format so your entire channel or grid always feels fresh and engaging to your viewers. Use the automation to pull the absolute best bits, freeing your creative energy for the hook. Stop scrubbing footage for hours and spend that time perfecting your initial camera work instead. If you watched this far, drop the secret emoji in the comments to let me know you paid attention. I can film a step-by-step walkthrough on setting up a full month of posts if you ask for it in the comments. Thank you for watching this guide. Now go take that creative shot and have a lot of fun with it.